afternoon, my name's Darren. This is a new YouTube channel. It's a new video, it's a new thing to me altogether. This is our J6 Bedford, the family and I are going to be redoing, pulling apart, put back together. It's a barn find, or paddock find, and I'd like to take you on a journey from the very first time that we found it, tried to retrieve it, which was a headache, to the point of being able to drive it on the road, almost as good as new. 300 cubic inch petrol engine. It was a prime mover, like to keep it as original as possible. So yeah, I'll be posting at least once a week, putting in information on from manuals and as much information as I possibly can. I'd like to thank a lot of people who have been helping me already, to the point that I've been able to get a lot of information. Everybody's very helpful, it's great. So yeah, join once a week, Project Bedford. Be here, like, subscribe, and just hit the notification button so that yeah, you know exactly when I post, and look forward to seeing you then. Thanks a lot.